Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show wonder things that we were actually complicated today. What kind of first class of training in automation actually takes. What do we do at OneAG? We are good about different communication and software, about Windows and about wiring. We explain the data to him. And then what we do is we explain the PLC nameplate. After that, after getting the power of step-by-step up, about passwords or various security. After learning about the memory clinic, what we do, we start teaching him to do circuits from the 1KA program. So what do you think circuits? What are we doing here? Inside prints, inside the piles, we come at one at my house. I found that could be any model we have here at 1M1 UAE team. And this is my dad here, and this is my dad. I got one AIM-DAS of 220 volt power source, which is very popular at the moment. So the power supply is used here. After that, the output load is used after the circuit breaker. After 3 o'clock, you see the 200 sensor used here. Next, the 4 NND switch is used, which is 4 is a push button switch and 4 is still connected. Clearly, the interesting thing here is that we have students who have done a circuit to see the connection of open contact lenses and the collection of close contact lenses. Not the cyclotron circuit. This is what you have learned today as a student, that after we do the one circuit, we have to know it according to its name and what kind of safety we will give it and how we can get the output. So we will storm one now for those who are actually new. I will tell you what to say for those who are coming. You may not understand, or there are old people who have already trained from a training center or are deciding to train. If both of them can be coordinated, they will ask each other questions. Actually, these kinds of things. If it is the first class, then what can be the last step? I will only say that the last here is one pill with this, and one was here can be seen that the 4-year one Golan Island, and with it I can also have the module installed. After one, there will be a 1 Golan module, then there will be a digital model. These models are digital type or light cell type. There will be a few modules like this, and there will be 80-40 input and output completely Cricket one-end program when he starts from here. Here you can complete full wiring and programming. Then we'll handle him from our training. I'll do it. We'll get out of training. Yes, we will be able to find out how his service will be now, or we will check these things completely through an interview with him. Of course, my idea of giving training, the idea of our training center, is to create a skilled engineer who is a practical person or a practical person. You see that there are stones in a fresh factory, but there is very little space for fresh students or fresh. And will you see fresh? Those who are old electricians or have old responsibilities. They don't want to take up too much space. However, if you have the ability to apply what you are actually new as a back, or as you say, to your college life, it may be new to you. Suppose your studies end in 2024. You will not be able to perform your duties as a good expert in the organization, or you will not be able to work with an efficient electrician by learning good work within a year. This is not the case if you try hard. Here we are requesting 412. Inside the 4 was today the stress top, and it was what we had. 1 gigabyte was ours. Euro's button or hero is 1 row sense or 1 row switch for road signal. And 1 row was our test switch, means we are doing 1 row circuit inside it for 4 GHz switch where we run the program. 1 GHz switch to stop the program, and 1 GHz switch to test the program is manual. And we have to clean it or start the program through the road using that kind of 1 GHz switch inside it. After that we see 1 GHz load here and there, 3 GHz. So I'm using it at 1 GHz. What do I understand by using this? I realize that we are. What are you doing with our programs? And our circuit is the 2 all-out sensor, which will be connected in series, and through the series it will change the one-to-one product. If he gets some kind of error in that sense, what will he do? It will be 1 sour cylinder, and we see. When bottles are packaged in different factories, the bottle goes above one Shadi Black. So whenever he sees the bottle, that the bottle has been fought since then, he basically puts that bottle on another one Shadi damage page. Damage causes or damage escapes inside the box. And he keeps doing the good ones, keeps doing the buy steps, and delivers it to the machine in front. So the sensor is used to do this 2-dot work. What kind of circuit should the sensor 2 diodes be used through, and that will be proper? What are we doing at one Taasir of international quality? We are giving the program to our students on the first day. Why our last program will be in an advanced level like PEN, basically in a place like bus or networking, which is actually your last video at 190. And we will upload the last training class of the student, and sometimes we will upload a few more videos with which we will understand what our students have learned, and the rest will be learned. My words are that those who will train will only say one things, that electricians. What you can't do, those who are in your factory can't actually do any kind of advanced work, but he will respect you and give you space for what he will do. And if it happens that you are much fresher than him, then you are sure that I will give you blood in the place of automation engineer's responsibility. A12 will never give you that. It doesn't match. It won't let him connect with the machine. This weakness happens only when we can learn eject Sage 1 or DOS. Watching YouTube videos together, we don't get it from any training center. Okay, this is the one Taulaos problem, that one or awesome electrician can solve the problem by watching one Polok videos on YouTube because of his skills that can design circuits. We cannot do it from any training center. This is a problem that basically weakens us by going to the job position, and when we change jobs or when it comes time to make saline, it is seen that we are not being given value. This is because the decision to have sex in the factory is right in front of you. Go to the factory where you are dreaming and see if there is an electrician in your junior post at one gone or one down. He who has been providing service for 34 years already knows about PLC sitting at home and knows what people like us give clear one gone things in mind when they come to the training center. There will not be things on YouTube. You need to teach that thing. If it happens that there are things in his training center or people have seen such things on social video platforms, they may not know your name and cannot look for it. But if someone teaches you such work from an institution, then you think that your job should be the content creator or a training center. You have to do a job at a very low salary, or what to do after disappointing you have to go to another department. Everyone will be fine. We will do this with a practical one day in a video. I can't do it right now because we're handling it a little bit secretly. We do not have a training center. But know that I will challenge a training institution about the interview of one of our students here when I will actually reveal this challenge in front of everyone after making my one GWA students come to a training center, some kind of brother or train of a training center. There will be a weakness in cancer and no action can stop it. This is grant. We are practical people, not practical people. We will leave them with education to teach them, whether it's a learning or something. Clear work skills will be good for everyone. And those who are willing to train will only say one things that come with me. Once meet and talk for 10 minutes, I will ask you 2 or no 4 questions, or I will see what you really want. After that, I will give us some answers from the knowledge of giving so many days of practical one-day service. Then you decide where you should actually train only after seeing the big pill brand and PLC. If you are admitted to the training, then remember that. There are always good products that can be found in big, good branded showrooms in good 100 rooms, but not in small and low places. He is also a good expert. Food makers can make food or taste good. In this video, those who want to train will contact us. Our training is continuous monthly, and our training center is actually making big decisions little by little and has no intention of growing up little by little. We are fine. We will see you in the next video. The next topic will be good, everyone.